Good afternoon, and let's look at how the markets are performing as of now. So the Nifty is trading about the 14,000 mark. Both the Indian benchmark and equity indices, SENSEX and Nifty, are trading higher, led by the gains in the banking as well as the IT stocks, as well as the broader markets. That is also outperforming on the first day of the new year. So beginning of this year, we seem like the party is surely continuing on the Dalal Street. Now let's have a look at the midday movers and which stocks are actually buzzing in trade this afternoon. Talking about Escorts, the stock is up as much as 2.2% in trade after the company has reported its highest ever tractor sales for the month of December. Now overall, the company's agricultural machinery segment has reported a sales of around 7,703 tractors in the month of December, and this is up by 88% on a year-on-year basis. So very good set of numbers coming in from Escorts, and obviously that shows that the rural area is surely continuing to grow, and that is where we are seeing good sales coming in from tractors as well. Talking about Praj Industries, the stock is surging as much as 11% in trade, and this is after the company's board has decided that they'll be meeting on January 5th to decide on matters and explore the idea of demerger of the film business of the company. So that is something that we'll keep an eye out on and how that actually pans out on. But today the stock is surely buzzing in trade on the back of that news flow. Moving on to Gayatri Projects, the stock is up as much as 2.5% in trade after the company is declared as an L1 bidder for the UP highway. Now this bid is worth around 1,320 crore rupees. So this is surely a big order win coming in from our Gayatri Projects, a good order win coming in for Gayatri Projects, and that is why we're seeing that the stock is buzzing in trade, up 2.5%. Moving on to Praj Industries, another company's which stock is buzzing. It's up as much as 5.11% in trade after the company has won an order of around 227 crore rupees from Indian Oil Corporation. So one more company on the back of an order win is surely buzzing in trade today. Moving on to JSPL. Stock up as much as 1.3% in trade. It has been in focus for the last couple of days as well. So the company's unit, that is Jindal Power, has been declared as a successful bidder for the Gare Palma 4 coal mine block in Chhattisgarh by the Ministry of Coal. So a good coal win coming in for the Gare Palma block, and surely that's going to be beneficial for JSPL as well. And we're seeing that the investors are surely giving this a thumbs up, and the stock is up as much as 1.3% in trade. Moving on to obviously IDBI Bank, stock up as much as 1.6% in trade after the company has completed to sell its 23% stake in its insurance arm, IDBI Federal Life Insurance. So that is surely interesting coming in over there. And following the sale, IDBI's holding in the subsidiary will fall to 25% from previously 48%. So let's keep an eye out on IDBI Bank as well today. Moving on to HSIL, the company has gained as much as 2.7% in trade after the promoters' shareholding in the company has been increased to 60.24% from 53.91%, so almost you could say 6 to 7% increase post the buyback which was completed yesterday. So through the open market transactions, they have increased their stake. And now let's not forget, the first day of the year we do have a debutant on the markets, that is Antony who are handling SEL Limited, which has made a very strong debut, and it's trading at a very good premium as well. Right now it's up 49% from its issue price, so that is something interesting, and let's keep an eye out on how Antony performs, especially being the first IPO listing for the year.